Good morning, students. Next we will do question number 4 of exercise 10.3. Find the distance of the point -1, 1 from the line 12x plus 6 is equal to 5, y minus 2. So there is the formula for distance between line and the point is d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square modulus. So in the equation of line is 12 multiply x plus 6 is equal to 5 multiply y minus 2. So first you have to solve this equation. It is 12x plus 12 6 72. 5 into y is 5y minus 5 into 10 or 12x minus 5y minus plus 72 plus 10 is equal to 0 or 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. So this is the equation for this given line. Now compare A, B and C from this given equation. So value of A is here 12, B is minus 5 and value of C is here 82. Now this point -1 and 1 is what? x1 and y1. So now put these points. A is how much? 12. Value of x1 is here -1. Value of B is -5. y1 is 1 plus c, value of c is 82 divided by under root a square plus b square. So 12 square is how much? 144 plus minus 5 square is 25. Now 12 into -1 is -12 minus 5 plus 82. 144 plus 25 is 169. Now -12 minus 5 is how much? -17. Minus 17 plus 82, it is 65 over 169. Now 65 over root 169 is how much? 13, because 169 is a perfect square. 13. Now 13 can you 65? 5. So the distance between this point and this given line is 5 units. Alright. So this is your question number 4. Next, this is your question number 5. Find the points on the x-axis whose distance from the line x upon 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. So you can see here, the point is on which axis? X-axis. So the point taken on x-axis is x0 and its distance from this line is 4 unit. So we have to find the value of x, or you can say find the points on x-axis. So we know that x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1, or we can take the LCM 4 into x, 4x, 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1, or 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So we have to comparing value of a, b and c from this equation. So a is here 4, b is 3 and value of b is -12. And the point is already given, that is x and 0. It means value of x1 is here x and value of y1 is 0. Now the distance between the point and the equation of line is a x1 plus b y1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square modulus. So first write the formula. Now the distance is given already, that is 4 units. So we have to write here plus minus 4 because modulus means you have to take on both sides, positive and negative, both. So value of a is here how much? 4 into x1. Value of x1 is x plus b y1. Value of b is 3 and y1 is 0. So 3 multiply 0 is how much? 0 plus c. Value of c is -12 divided by under root a square plus b square. A square 4 square 60, 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 is 25 and root 25 is 5. So write here 45. Now you have to solve this equation. Take in one time plus 4 and another time -4. Alright. So write here plus 4 is equal to 4x plus minus -12 divided by 5 and second time -4 is equal to 4x minus 12 by 5. So 5 4s are how much? 20. 12 or 4x is equal to 32 and the value of x is here 8. It means the first point is 8 0 and solving this equation statement minus 5 over 20 4x minus 12. Now it is 4x is equal to minus 8 and x is equal to minus 2. Therefore the other point is minus 2 0. So therefore the first point is 8 0 and the second point is minus 2 0 such that its distance from this line, equation of line is 4 units. Alright, this is your question number 5th. This is your question number 6. Find the distance between the parallel lines. So the formula for distance between parallel lines is C1 minus C2 divided by under root A square plus B square modulus. So there are two equations of line is given. 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0 and second equation is 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. So you can see in both of this equation A and B should be same. And C is different, it means these are parallel lines. We know that the condition for parallel line is A1 over B1, sorry, A1 over B2 is equal to B1 over B2 is not equal to C1 over C2. So from here, first equation C1 is minus 34 and C2 is 31 only. So the put the values in this formula C1 minus C2. C1 is minus 34 minus C2. C2 is 31. Divided by under A square plus B square. A is 15, 15 square 225. B is 8, 8 square 64. Now minus 34 minus 31. It is how much? Minus 65. 225 plus 64 is 289. Now the modulus of 65 is minus 65 is 65 and root 289 it is 17. So the answer is 65 over 17 units. So this is your first part of question number 6. The second part of this question is your homework. Next, this is your question number 7. Find the equation of line parallel to the line 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2 3. Suppose that this is point minus 2 3. The line is passing through this point and it is parallel to another line and which equation is given 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. So we know that both lines are parallel, means their slopes should be same or you can say equal. So first we will find the slope of this equation. So slope of this equation is minus a over b. This is the formula for slope of a line. Minus e, value of a is here 3 and e is minus 4. So minus minus cancel. The slope is how much? 3 over 4. It means the slope of this line is 3 over 4. It means the slope of this line is also 3 over 4. So slope is 3 over 4 and the point should be given minus 2 3. So we can easily find the equation of line. So what is the equation of line? Y minus y0 is equal to m x minus x0. Y minus y0. Y0 is here 3. M is what? Slope. Slope is 3 over 4. Slope of both the lines should be same because they are parallel. X minus x0. x0 is minus 2. Therefore minus minus plus 2. Now simplify this. 4 into y. 4y, 4 3 is 12. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 is 6. Or 3x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of line. Question number 7. Next, question number 8. Find equation of line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus y is equal to 0 and having x intercept 3. So first we will find the slope of this line. And formula is minus a over b. Value of a is here 1 and b is minus 7. Therefore slope is 1 1 7. So the slope of line which is perpendicular to the slope line having slope 1 by 7 is minus 7. Because we know that when two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. Suppose this is line L1, this is line L2. Slope of this first line is M1 and slope of the second line is M2. So M1 into I2 is equal to minus 1. We will find the slope of this first line, that is 1 over 7. So what is the slope of the second line? It is how much? minus 7. Now the equation of line with slope minus 7 and x-intercept 3 is given by how much? Y minus y0 and x minus x0. So y minus y0, y0 is 0. M is slope, that is minus 7. X minus x0. X0 is the x-intercept, which is given 3. How much? Y minus 0 is y minus 7x plus 21, or 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of line. Question number 8. This is your question number 9. Find the angle between the two lines root 3x plus y is equal to 1, and second is x plus root 3y is equal to 1. So this question we already discussed in previous exercise 10.2. So the formula for angle between two lines is m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 modulus is equal to tan theta. So theta is the angle between these two lines. So what is m1? m1 is the slope of first line, m2 is the slope of second line. So find the slope of the given line is minus a over b. So a is here 3 and b is 1. So slope is minus root 3. The slope for second line is minus 1 over root 3. Now we put the values of this m1 and m2 in this given formula. Alright. So on solving this we will get 1 over root 3. Now the value of tan 1 over root 3 at which angle? 30 degree. So write here tan 30. This tan can cancel and the theta is 30 degree. If the first angle is 30 degree, then what is this angle? 180 minus 30, because this is linear pair. So 180 minus 30 is 150 degree. Therefore other angle is 150 degree. So this is your question number 9.